Magandang araw sa lahat, welcome po ulit dito sa atin channel ang Biyahe y Komida. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe, indeed. Punta tayo sa atin topic, June 25, 2025. Alden at Catherine pinangalanan phenomenal box office king at queen. Tumanggap din ng mga parangal sina Vic Soto, Piolo Pascual, at Marian Rivera. Sina Alden Richards at Catherine Bernardo ang itinanghal na phenomenal box office king at queen of Philippine cinema sa Box Office Entertainment Awards 2025, ng Guillermo Mendoza Memorial Scholarship Foundation, Inc. GMMSFI. Nakamit nina Alden at Catherine ang mga titulong ito dahil sa tagumpay ng kanilang reunion movie na Hello, Love, Again, 2024, na umabot sa 1.6 billion Philippine pesos ang worldwide gross. Ang Hello, Love, Again ang may hawak ngayon ng record bilang highest-grossing Filipino movie of all time. Noong 2024, sina Alden at Catherine ang nanalong box office king and queen. Ang The Kingdom stars na sina Vic Soto at Piolo Pascual ang napiling Film Actors of the Year. Si Marian Rivera, na nagbida sa Sinimalaya movie na Balota, ang Film Actress of the Year. Ang Lavender Fields stars na sina Jericho Rosales at Jody Santa Maria ang ginawaran ng Primetime TV Actor and Actress of the Year. Sina Richard Yap at Jillian Ward naman ng abot kamay na pangarap ang Daytime Actor and Actress of the Year. Ang magka-love team na sina Donnie Pangilinan at Bel Mariano ang binyansagang Prince and Princess of Philippine Entertainment. Movie Supporting Actors of the Year sina Ruro Madrid, Green Bones, at Joros Gamboa, Hello, Love, Again. Si Nadine Lustre, Uninvited, ang napiling Movie Supporting Actress of the Year. Si John Estrada ng FPJ Batang Quiapo ang TV Supporting Actor of the Year, habang si Janine Gutierrez ng Lavender Fields ang TV Supporting Actress of the Year. Male and female TV Hosts of the Year naman sina Robbie Domingo at Ann Curtis, respectively. Most Popular Love Team of Philippine Entertainment sina Kim Chu at Paulo Avellino o Kim Pao. Most Promising Love Team naman ang kontrobersyal na tambalan nina Maris Racal at Anthony Jennings. Comedy Actor and Actress of the Year ang magkaibigang sina Roderick Polate at Maricel Soriano. Most Popular Child Performer si Rafael Landicho, Volts 5 Legacy. Sa music category, dalawang parangal ang iginawad sa sikat na P-pop girl group na Bunny, Concert of the Year, Bunnyverse, at Recording, Streaming Group of the Year. Male and Female Concert Performer of the Year ang dating mag-asawang Martin Nievera at Pops Fernandez. Recording, Streaming Artist of the Year naman si TJ Monterde. Best Ensemble Acting for Movies ang Hello, Love, Again, at Best Ensemble Acting for Television ang Lavender Fields. Kabilang sa TV programs na pararangalan ay 24 Oras, Popular TV Program News at Public Affairs, FPJ Batang Quiapo, Popular TV Program Primetime Drama, Abot Kamay na Pangarap, Popular TV Program Afternoon Drama, Family Feud Philippines, Popular TV Program Talent Search, Reality, Game Show, at Asap Natin To, Popular TV Program Musical Variety, Noontime, Primetime. Most Popular Film Producers ang ABS-CBN Studios at GMA Pictures. Most Popular Film Director ang Hello, Love, Again director na si Cathy Garcia Sampana. Most Popular Screenwriters naman sina Carmi Raimundo, Crystal Hazel San Miguel, at Olive Lamasan na nagsulat ng screenplay ng Hello, Love, Again. Gaganapin ang awards night ng Box Office Entertainment Awards 2025 sa CPR Auditorium ng RCBC Building, Ayala Avenue, Makati City, sa June 28, 2025. Magkakaroon ito ng television coverage na ipalalabas sa Kapamilya Channel at I1 TFC sa July 13. Bisitahin ang website ng pep.ph, Philippines Entertainment Portal, para sa kumpletong listahan ng mga nanalo sa Box Office Entertainment Awards 2025. E-click ang link sa description box. At yan ang ating latest Showbiz Chika update for today. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe. Click the notification bell for more Showbiz Chika updates, like and share the video at suportahan po ang ating Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed. Magandang buhay sa lahat, adios!